Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you some Sharpie fine point and ultra fine point permanent markers that I purchased yesterday. Now I wouldn't have purchased these because I'd seen them originally on Amazon, and they do actually retail on Amazon this particular set for $24.99. Yeah, this is the Sharpie Special Edition 30 count marker set. The prime price is $24.99, and yeah, I actually bought this from Tesco for £10 yesterday, which I thought was an absolute bargain, and it looked like they was getting rid of them because they was in the sale section. And these have been on my wish list for a while, but I thought there's no way I'm going to spend 25 quid on some Sharpies. But when I saw them for a tenner, I thought, you know what, I'm going to do it. So I haven't opened them yet. I've waited to do it on camera. So I'm going to open the box. Now I think I'm going to need some scissors because it's been taped shut. So if you're in the UK and you have a Tesco nearby, like a Tesco Superstore, one of the 24-hour stores, then I'd go and check out their reductions section, and you may be lucky and find some in the sale. Right, here we go, we're into it now. Okay, so on the front then we've got, it says 30 pieces at the top, 24 fine point, 6 ultra fine point permanent markers. Then we've got a picture of the dragon on the back. And on the back of the box we've got, I think you can colour this if you wanted to. And here we've got all the colours with names. So we have 24 fine pens in a variation of colours. And then we've got 6 ultra fine in some more colours. I don't know if the same colours are duplicated. I don't think they are. We've got optic orange and we've got orange in the fine. Electric pink in the ultra fine. We've got jelly pink. So there's no double ups of the colours. So let's have a look in the box. I'm probably going to be hugely disappointed when I open this, but actually opens up a bit like a pizza box. And there are the pens. So let's just pick one out. Let's pick up this purple one. So this is one of the ultra fine point Sharpies. I've noticed that the name of the colour isn't actually printed on the barrel of the pen, so it's difficult to know what actual purple this is. I suppose you could do a swatch and try and match it up, but this is the ultra fine point. If I can show you that at the camera, how small the fine point is. Oh, and they smell just, yeah, they smell really nice. And if we take a look at one of the fine points, so you can already see that there is a difference in the actual shape of the pen. The ultra fine point is a bit more sleek, and the fine point is a bit more like bullet shaped, if you like. And again, there's no name on the actual pen itself, just the barrel of the pen is just a Sharpie fine point permanent marker. The actual cap gives us an idea of what the colour is, but there's no actual colour on the top of the pen like the super fine point ones. So let's have a look. And there is the bullet point on the fine tip. So I'm now going to get a piece of paper and I'm going to do a quick swatch. So bear with just a second. Right, I've just found some paper that I use for when I'm doing my colouring. So it actually does look like a pizza box. So I'm probably going to throw the box away, to be fair. So we'll get rid of this. We'll put the pens here. And we'll just start doing a quick swatch. So I'm going to start working through the fine tip ones first. So we've got this nice pink. Now, if I have a look on the back of the box, see, there isn't very much. I'm guessing that is just pink. That's about the closest we're going to get. So let's have a look at this one. Okay, so they do look, where's the camera? They do look pretty good. So I think you can, yeah, you can get a thicker line if you hold the pen in that angle, or you can get a very thin line if you point it down. So far, this one did seem really juicy, so let's try the orange. Ooh, like that. Okay, so there's the orange. Now, I don't think these was bad for a tenner, considering they're 25 quid on Amazon. That's like a watermelon colour. Oh, I like these. And there's no bleed through, but then this is more like card, not paper. So I'm not sure what they would be like on normal colouring books. Okay, so far the colours are pretty nice. Let's try one of the ultra fine points. So let's turn this around and we'll go with this colour one. The tops of these are really hard to get off. Okay, so that is a very, very fine point. I'm not sure what point they are. I would have thought it would have said on the box itself, but it doesn't. I'm guessing these are probably, I don't know, a 0.3 or a 0.4. Right, let's do a swatch of another one. Let's try. Right, there is only 4 of the ultra fine ones. Oh, the caps are so hard to get off. Okay, the ultra fine ones seem a little bit more scratchy when you compare them to something like the Stattlers or the Stabilos or even the Artesas. They do seem a little bit more scratchy, but considering there's only, what, how many? 6, I probably wouldn't use the ultra fine point very often. I am happy that there isn't any duplicates of the colours, but having said that, I think it would have been nice if these ultra fine points had the same colours as those in the fine points. So if you're working in a smaller space, for example, then it would be easier for you to, you know, to get the nib of the pen into like the small spaces. I mean, according to the box, there isn't any double ups, so you wouldn't even be able to just, I mean, I can't see the pinks there. They don't really match any of them. What colours do we have on the box? So we've got, in the fine, we've got black, slate grey, blue, brilliant blue, blue ice, sky blue, turquoise, aqua, green, lime, mint, yellow, peach, tangerine, orange, pink lemonade, pink, magenta, red, purple, brown, jelly pink, and Valley Girl violet. And then in the ultra fine we have turquoise. Oh, so there is some double ups. There's an aqua, there's a lime, so we've got 2 double ups, optic orange, electric pink, and ultraviolet. So there are 2 double ups. So we've got a fine and an ultra fine in the aqua, and we've got a fine and an ultra fine in the turquoise. The rest, so out of the 30 markers, there's only 2 double ups, so there's 28 unique colours. But I didn't think this was a bad price at all for £10 from Tesco. I actually thought it was a really good deal. And like I say, 25 quid on Amazon. I don't think you can go wrong. So yeah, if you are in the UK and you are and you have a Tesco nearby, one of the big superstores, then I'd definitely check it out, because I don't think they're going to last very long at that price. So just quickly before I end this video, because I am going to be taking them out of this plastic box, and I am going to put them in my new pencil case. Now this is a custom made pencil case. Sorry for the crinkling. And this is my new pencil case. It says fruits. That is a Z, by the way. And it is made with all pink glitter, and it's like a fabric pencil case. Well, it's actually a makeup bag. It was advertised as a makeup bag. So we've got the zip, and it is quite roomy. So we'll definitely get those Sharpies in there. The inside label says it's by westfordmill.com, W540M, ethically produced, azo free, Beachfield brands, made in the United Kingdom, and it's 100% cotton. And I thought that was really cool. So now I've done that, I'm going to take these Sharpies and I'm going to put them in my pencil case. So they do fit really nicely in there. And then I can get rid of this humongous box, because let's face it, we don't want, it takes up a bit of space, and I'm trying to conserve space, not add more stuff to it. It's a bit of a shame, like, with the packaging, really. I mean, yes, it's packaged really nicely, and I suppose it becomes quite appealing if you're looking at them and you are attracted to them. I mean, if this set had been in just a normal plastic wallet hung up on the shelf in the store, I probably wouldn't have even given it a second glance. But I think the packaging and the way it's been advertised is quite eye-catching. But if you would like to buy these pens for yourself off Amazon, I am now an Amazon affiliate, so I will put the link to this product in the description box below. So there is a lot of room in there, so that there's definitely more room. I could get some more felts in there, so I'm probably going to put my Faber-Castell felt tips in there as well, because there's definitely enough room for more. So yeah, I will put a link to this product on Amazon, but if you are in the UK, I would definitely recommend popping to Tesco's and seeing if you can pick some of these up for a tenner. So that pretty much finishes off this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think, especially of this pencil case. I think it's super cool. So please do give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. That way you'll get notified when I upload a new video or go live. And make sure you click the little bell as well, and that way you'll get notified straight away. Well, usually anyway. I know YouTube have been having a few issues with that recently, but yeah, I know some people don't get notifications regardless of whether or not they've got the bell clicked, but hey ho. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have an awesome day, and I shall see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.